and in today's video I'm going to address a very common issue. So whatever gender you are, whatever age you are, you might have faced this issue or even might be going through it right now. So the thing I'm talking about is hair fall. Yes, so that's the most common issue that we all have nowadays. So basically I suffer from a lot of hair fall, a lot, and I guess everyone present here might also be having the same concern. So I thought let's just address this issue. So basically I have few products in today's video which will help you to decrease your hair fall. Now two things I want to make it very clear. First, this video is totally non-sponsored. All the products are tried and tested by me. I have finished the entire bottles and then I am making this video right here. Second thing is that I am not going to claim that these products will entirely stop your hair fall. No, it takes a lot of time, but it will gradually decrease your hair fall. And the links of all the products will be in the description box below, because you might not be able to find some of the products in the stores, right? So you need to order it online. So I have the links below, and also you might be having some discounts going on that links, so don't forget to check that out. So now let's just begin with today's video. So the first product which I have is a hair oil, of course, because we are dealing with hair, so I can't just forget hair oil. So the first hair oil which I have is from Vanalaya. It's that onion hair oil. So onion hair oils are very much in trend these days. There are variety of onion hair oils. However, I found this one quite effective. I have tons of other onion hair oils, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you is how the bottle looks like, and by the bottle you already know I've used it completely. So now the reason why this one is really good: first, the onion ingredient is best for your hair. Secondly, it has a mix of 30 other ingredients, which includes amla, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it has amla, arganol, bhringraj, sandalwood and other 30 ingredients which help to nourish your hair. So basically I think it's not only an onion hair oil, it has a blend of other ingredients. So definitely you don't need to add other oils, like you don't need to mix other oils. This one is just perfect. Secondly, it has many other properties rather than just curing your hair fall. It also helps in shiny hair and controls dandruff. Now, I am someone who has very dry skin. People with dry skin tend to have dandruff more. So definitely this one is going to help you. And the another good thing about this product is it has no paraben, no sulfate, no mineral oil and no toxins, which means it's completely organic. So in that manner too, it's gonna help you a lot. Talking about the MRP, it's somewhere around 1000 and you get 200 ml of product. Now 1000 is much for a hair oil, but definitely if you find for this product in any of the sites like Amazon or Flipkart, anywhere, you will find discount over it. So I have mentioned the link in the description box. Go and check that out. You'll get definitely you will get some discount. So yeah. So the next product which I have is also from the same brand, so I would rather consider it as a combo. So the second one which we have is from Vanalaya. It's their onion hair shampoo. So the first one which we saw was an onion hair oil, and this one is the extension to that itself. It's the onion hair shampoo. Now talking about the ingredients, this one has proteins and this one has shikakai, aloe vera, brahmi and arita. So I'm sure you might have heard the names of this ingredient. Those ingredients are really good for your hair, especially for your hair washing. Many people still use shikakai and arita and all that. It protects your hair from damage, so that's a really good thing. So this shampoo has all those ingredients, so again a very good deal. Secondly, this one also has no paraben, no sulfate, no mineral oil and it has no toxins also, so a very safe option. You get 200 ml of product and this one cost around 800 rupees. Again, you'll get a discount. Check the link. And yeah, that's so much about it. Now talking about the formula and consistency, this shampoo is purple in color. I love the color. Fragrance is like, it doesn't smell so bad like onion. It's good enough. This one is not very harsh and it doesn't really strip off all the moisture from your hair, which helps to make your hair really smooth and nourished, and also it makes it look really healthy rather than just dry and rough. So yeah, that was about the onion hair shampoo. All the qualities are just similar to the ones I said in the hair oil, because it belongs to the same range of the same brand. So yeah, that was the second one. Now let's move on to the third product. Now moving on to the third product. The third product which I have is from another brand. So the brand is known as Barbourita. So it's a luxury hair care brand. So the product which I have from them is again an onion product, because onion products are really good in controlling hair fall. So this one is also an onion hair oil. So this hair oil has 27 other ingredients along with onion oil and almond oil. So this is how the product looks like. So looking at the bottle, you are just quite sure I have used it so much. You can just see the condition of the bottle. So again, this not only controls your hair fall, it also has anti-dandruff properties, and also it's non-greasy. So I love oils which are really lightweight and not sticky, because removing that oil becomes really difficult if it's very sticky. Also it has no mineral oils and no silicone. I'm just going to read out some of the ingredients so you might get an idea about how it's going to work for you. So this one has sandalwood oil, rose oil, argan oil, black castor oil, hibiscus oil, amla oil, and other 17 ingredients. So again, this hair oil is very lightweight, and as it's onion hair oil, it has the property of reducing your hair fall. Now the price of this one is 1000, which is again too much for a hair oil. So all the products which are mentioned have the range around 1000 to 1500. So the links will be below. If you check the links out, they will be on discount right now, so don't worry about that. The amount that you get is 200 ml, and the good part about this one is this oil gets absorbed really deep into the roots, and also it's very light, so doesn't feel like you have really oiled your hair. Let's move on to the fourth one, which is again from the same brand and same range. So I have basically tried to use combos, like I have used the Vanalea combo, which is the Vanalea hair oil and hair shampoo, and here I have used the Barbourita combo, which has hair oil and hair shampoo. So that's why it becomes easier for you to buy it or or use it. So the fourth product which I have is Barbourita Onion Hair Shampoo. Now this one also has Brahmi, Amla and Bhringraj. These three are the king ingredients for your hair, and also it has onion, which again helps you in hair growth, reduces hair loss, and also controls dandruff. This one is paraben and sulfate free, and this one retails for $9.99, and also you get other ingredients in this one, such as coconut oil and aloe vera, which makes your hair smooth and supple. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So this is how the product actually looks like. The other properties are gonna be similar as the oil, because it's of the same range, so there's no use of repeating things. So yeah, you can definitely check it out. And Barbourita as a brand is really good. I have many skincare products from that brand as well, and it's really good, so you can definitely give it a shot. The last product which I have is a hair mask. So I'm not used to using hair mask regularly. I just used it once or twice, because I'm not a person who likes mask a lot, but many of you would be going for spa, and also you can instead use this at home. It will be more inexpensive for you and also more effective. So the hair mask which I have is from Ekte. It's the Ekte Keratin hair mask. So this is how it looks like. Now this mask can be used by anyone, like whatever age you are, whatever gender you have, whatever hair type you have, and this mask is really a good one. I have just used it twice or thrice until now, because I am not much into hair masking and all. So this one I used for I think twice till I remember. It's really a good one. It makes your hair so smooth, and it just has a very good fragrance. Like I'm just going to show you how it looks like. It's really good. This fragrance is to die for. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. So it's as smooth as butter, and yeah. Also talking about the brand, Ekte is a luxury hair care brand. It's really a good brand with good products. The formulas are really good, and also talking about the price, it's a little bit on the expensive side. It retails for 1600, but again, as I said, click on the link, you will definitely get some discount. And by that was all the products that I included in this video, and I hope this would be helpful to you. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.